NASDAQ market closed in the green today, and now it's time to prepare for the economic reports that are going to be released tomorrow pre-market, which is 1 hour before the market opens. For those that are unaware, let me go ahead and start sharing my screen and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Overall, NASDAQ market, based off of recent patterns, you guys can see that we've had a common resistance range right around this 377 level, right? You can see based off of Monday's performance and then last week's performance, there's been a lot of consolidation around this specific range of 377. We'll see tomorrow if we continue to indicate signs of an uptrend, working our way closer to 381, or if we begin to pull on back, working our way closer back to that 370 support. Let's go ahead and get into the economic reports. I'm going to try to keep today's video super short and sweet, and I hope that I earn your thumbs up. When it comes down to September 15th, 1 hour before the market opens, which is, again, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, we have import prices and export prices and Empire State Manufacturing all being released. Import prices, again, are something that, and export prices are something that influence the overall market when they are reported based off of previous expectations. So for those that are unaware, again, these economic reports are released 1 hour before the market opens. So in the NASDAQ market, you will see quick changes of direction, kind of like we saw today, right? Today was the PPI report, and we also saw initial claims and continuing claims being released 1 hour before the market opened. You could see here, the timestamp is down here, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. We saw a nice little pullback, and then it found its support and it quickly recovered. And then once the market opened, we saw that retracement follow very closely to that previous support range. So we shall see. Again, it's not going to overall most likely depict, what direction the market chooses for the entire day. But if you're someone that's a day trader and likes to take advantage of intraday opportunities, right, you don't necessarily need to short the market. But if you see a nice dip buy opportunity and you think that it's going to recover, then again, it's really cool to be present during those reports and knowing what is being reported so you have a better understanding and a better edge than most beginners in the stock market, right? Other than that, when it comes down to the economic reports, 15 minutes after or before the market opens, we have industrial production and then capacity utilization being released. And then 30 minutes after the market opens at 10 a.m. Eastern time, we have the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report, which, again, if you tune on in for tomorrow's live trading session, we will be capturing that live and watching the market react based off of market's expectation of 69.4%. For those that want to tune on in to tomorrow's live session, remember, it's the second link in the description down below if you want to learn more about it. Other than that, I'm sure a lot of you guys might have heard of a new stock that was IPOing today, and that it's ticker symbol ARM. It is up 25%, 24.69 with another 6.84% after market hours. I can't stress this enough. At the end of the day, you invest and you trade whatever it is that you see value in. Look at the statistics of companies that IPO, especially during a very trendy time, right? This is one of the best performing IPOs. I do need to give credit where it's due for 2023. With that being said, statistically speaking, if you look back at every company that has IPO'd, not just on its initial day performance, which is always over 10%, very common, right? If the company does well, but it's shortly after 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, you check on the average IPO 30, 60, 90 days after. A lot of them have given back all of the gains that they made from their initial public offering, right? Which is the IPO day. Just something to take into consideration of knowing the difference of a day trade when a lot of hype is present versus a long-term investment, especially if that hype ends up dying out. And then guess what? This overreaction ends up correcting itself. And then we come back down to its original IPO price, which was $55 a share from its $68 current highs. It's not to say that this thing can't continue to rally and that you can't partake in that activity, but just understand when hype and volatility is present and when we can begin to see signs of a correction. Other than that, I wanted to ask you guys, over this weekend, I wanted to film a video on individual videos on specific companies that I see value in for a potential swing trade. They're not going to be recommendations, but I not only wanted to talk about them, I wanted to break them down on the technical side of things and also share my trade plan with you if I actually, or what I need this stock to do for me to actually, take on that swing trade. So if you guys would like me to do a video like that, I haven't done one of those in some time. So again, just let me know down in the comment section or get this video over 500 likes, and I would be more than happy to be making back those videos over the weekend. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that we're into thumbs up. I'm excited to see where the market ends. Are we going to give back everything that we gained today, which is a 0.82%? Or are we going to continue to work towards that 380 price point for QQQ? So very excited to follow up. I'll see you for tomorrow's live trading session. And again, that is the second link in the description down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.